to my channel, Sky Alexis. Tada! How are you guys? I'm okay as well. I hope you're doing great and fine, okay? Today is the day. So actually guys, we have to tackle about the content creator that I think madami na gumagawa ng mga content creator which is from small to bigger YouTuber. So yes guys, so we tackle the example like Finest China and also Sian Gaza about that issue, okay? Regarding, so magchichika minute mo tayo guys. Chika minute, pretty check! So yeah, let's bolt in the chismes. So regarding with Finest China, I think he's doing good and he's doing great because I have no comments about him because nag-reflect siya na marami siyang pera with this 25 millions or whatsoever. So imagine guys, he buy the Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon. Oh my God! It's one of the most expensive. Imagine 15 million. My goodness. So deserve niya yon, okay? So let's have a credit for him. And pinaghirapan niya yon at saka wala tayong yung naibigay sa kanya na everything as a follower. Yan ang naitulong natin sa kanya. But it's I think it's all of us our achievement as well, right? As long as tumutulong naman din siya sa mga tao na tinutulungan niya, like example sa yung nagbibig ay yung ilan mo yun yung nagcha-challenge siya, right guys? Diba yun naman talaga yung kanya, yung content niya, yung nagcha-challenge siya na kung ano yung ginawa, challenge like hey, paki-help and everything, diba? Tinutulungan naman niya yon. Pero may alam mo na, Filipino mentality is really different. Hindi sila masaya kung anong meron ka. So, hindi sila kontento. So, ito naman si Pabansang Kolokoy. No, mali pala si Pabansang Kolokoy. Iba din pala. Si Pabansang Marites na which is si Sian Gaza. Oh my God, is the one of the famous chismosa musang in all over, it's not all over the world because nasa Thailand siya. Hindi siya nakakapunta sa Pilipinas. Right, guys? So, yeah. So yun nga, ano yun yung parang tinitiran niya si Finest na sana magpakatotoo daw, fake daw yung ginawa niya. But for me, it doesn't like, ako, hindi na ako makikialam. Buhay niya yun eh, tsaka may buhay naman si Christian. So maybe it's because, alam mo na yun, yung ganyan na kayaman guys, mayaman naman si Christian Gaza, mayaman din naman si Finest China, so no issues. Kailangan na nila magbate and then yeah, keep going. At saka the good thing with Finest China is a very good because nakapaka down to earth pa din niya. At saka ano mo yun, yung sinasagot niya yung mga bashers na ganito, ganyan, ganyan, which is that's really good. At least walang kwan ba, at least transparent siya. Kumbaga wala siya, at least wala siyang niloloko and everything. Marami siyang natulungan, which is really good. Walang problema doon, right guys? At ay chika na chismis. So muna siya guys, and everything na nagalap ko na chika minute, which is may isa na tinitira daw siya, fake daw yung alam mo yun, yung alahas daw na wala na daw siya alahas kasi naibenta na, which is Phoenix niya yun sa Facebook niya na yung mga pamangkin niya nandoon na lahat ng mga alahas niya. So for me, for Finest China, as what you watch Tony Talks, like nag-interview siya a week ago, napanood ko din yun, may latest siyang kwan guys, ano yung pinaghirapan niya. I think kasi deserve niya yun. Yung alam mo yun, give a chance to Finest China kasi deserve niya yun. Marami siyang natulungan at wala siyang nadihadong tao. And by the way, about the one, the comment is 1,000 pesos kasi 1,000 lang na yung binibigay. As long as she give it, that's only that matters. As long as you give, as in piso pa yan, 2, 3, 4, 5, as long as it comes from your pocket and you help it to the person, that's a really big help already. Okay guys? So yeah, oh my goodness, kasi ang dami, yun ang mahirap ng mga Pilipino kan talaga, mentality. They are very kanang, alam mo yun, yung sino pa yung mga mahihirap, yun pa yung mga demanding. Yun lang din ang kwan ko, yun lang din ang observe ko. And then yung sa mga mayayaman, is like mayayaman. Kasi nga, na-divided nga yun, diba? Mayaman ka. Kung mahirap ka. So, I think that's the mentality in the Filipinos. That's cultural, I think. So, yeah. So, laging hingi, diba? In here sa abroad, oh my goodness, 18 years old, they are already separated with their family. 18, magbalat ka na ng buto. Sa atin, nakatira pa din sa bahay. Diba? So, regarding with the content creator, madami na din na nagko-content creator na kumbaga bihira lang. Hindi talaga siya forever na yun talaga ang makakapag-achieve ka or everything. Saka nako-compete na din. But that actually, it really depends lang yan. Para na yung siyang halaman guys ba, like bulaklak, diba? Naasay na bulak na di mamulaklak, naasay bulak na mamulaklak. So it really depends the kind of lucky in your life na kailangan mo mag-strive, kung madaming struggles, kasi hindi ka magiging success kung wala ka mga failures. That's all is a part of blessing. So take it as that. Kasi yan ang magpapatibay sa iyo and ano yun, yung mag-mold with you kung paano mo malampasan ang everything na nangyayari sa buhay mo. So that's why deserve ni Finest China kung ano ang nangyayari sa buhay niya. If she have the Mercedes J-Wagon, why not? It's her, it's him, and it's her mom. So kanya nang guys, mga basher din kasi, yan ang mahirap kasi mga bashing. Madali silang magtalak everything, but sariling background nila, hindi nila kaya nilang linisin. And you know, they always like putak ng putak. Guys, we need to be grateful of what we have. Kung binigay yan sa'yo, then take it. If kung hindi man ibinigay, then leave it. That's it. Kasi, paano yan eh? What do you call that one? Sabi nga ni Baron ba yan? Sorry. Ang buhay ay weather lang, which is true. That's true. Ang buhay ay weather lang. Pero guys, I have a question. This is a joke, okay? What can you say about the weather? Is it a girl or a boy? For me, guys, if you say a girl, that's wrong. But if you say a boy, that's correct. Kasi nga, sabi ni Ernie Cabaron, ang lagay ng panahon. Diba, guys? Alam niya ng mga Bisaya kung ano yun ang meaning yun. But yeah, this is it. Okay? So, that's really a big joke. Seryoso na kita guys, okay? So yeah, just be laugh, be smile, and go out and everything because that's life. We need to keep going and yun nga, laban lang. We always keep saying laban lang, but it's really hard to laban lang, isn't it? Without any wheels, ano mo yung parang hindi aandar ang kotse kung walang susi. Diba? Right? Something like that, guys. So, but we have to keep in mind, always have faith and think about it yourself na kaya ko to. Ganon din si Finest China. So that's why I'm so admired with Finest China, and so do as well for Christian Gasa, because they have for how many years they have been experienced for the content creator, for vlogging for how many years? I just go, galamay na nila yan. Imagine, tayo pa ba na we just only starting, and yeah, it takes time for us. So yan lang masasabi ko guys. So I have lots of I've learned in being a content creator. For me, it's been already 3 years now, but I'm still struggling to get more views because it's really hard, because especially that I'm doing it every week. So not every week, I'm doing it once a week, guys. I'm sorry about that. I'm doing it for once a week, so it's really hard, to be honest. That's why that I'm so like amazed, and like, you know, like to those people that example like that Finest China and either Serben, what else, other content creators that are very famous, like Team Payaman. That's really, I admire them. And also one of our Bisaya, Chito from Davao. My God, Chito is as well. They are very old content creator for how many years. Tsaka sila nagganyan talaga, nag-success. It takes time. Being a vlogger or being a content creator is really hard to make it high. As long as you continue step by step and doing it and never give up what it is, then yeah, no, what do you call that one? It's not a hindrances, okay? So keep going. Walang mawawala sa iyo kung mag-strive ka, have a positive all the time, okay? So yun nga guys. So another joke muna tayo guys, like para hindi naman tayo puro seryoso about sa life. But for me, as nandito sa abroad, is really hard, okay? Kasi wala kang makakausap, wala kang makikita. All you have to do is makikita ito lang mga puno, ganyan lang yung makikita mo guys. Pero in terms sa everything, we have nothing to see, okay? Everything is kausap mo lang sarili mo. That's it. But I've learned that nasa atin lang talaga ang pag-success sa ating self, kung paano natin gaganahin. Para lang yun talaga siyang makina na kailangan nating kumilos and then to think positively and leave the negative things, okay? So that's it I've learned in here, being in abroad. Kailangan talaga maging masipag ka, maging fighter ka, at alam mo yon, yung maging, guys, before I'm so shy to takot ako sa tao before. Even nga palit sa bitsin ni mama, sa mama ko pag inuutusan ako, palit dito, ayaw kong lumabas sa bahay. But now, I've learned that, nagiging thick face at makapal ng buka mo talaga. Kasi, yun, nakasa camera na, at least, that's the good thing as well in YouTube. Kasi, parang, as an ordinary people, o diba? Feeling ko nasa TV na ako kasi napapanood natin yan through online, di ba? Na, oh my God, like, I'm in the TV. Oh my God. But yeah, someday na ma-interview ko na sila Chito, sila Tim Payaman, mamit ko, sila Finest China, and kisa pa, but my most favorite is Ann Curtis, Char, kasi nga daw Ann Curtis ko daw. Kamukha lang. Oh dear me. But yeah guys, I hope na yung ma-achieve natin ang dapat na ma-achieve, okay? Sa tulungan lang tayo guys, okay? And yes guys, it's very cold and so my hands is been freezing now, so please don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna end my video right now and we're gonna wrap up it now guys, because para ako na lang nag-iisa dito sa park. So okay, guys, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, okay guys? So alam nyo na, ang winner ay lalaki, hindi babae, okay? Basta ang sabi ni Ernie Cabaron, ang lagay ng panahon. Basta yan na yan. Pag Bisaya ka, alam mo na yan.